Okay. Hello. Wait. Hold on. Hello. Hello. Okay. Yep. So I'm back, and yeah. I lost my I lost my capital. Then I lost my money from that. I lost from my challenge, and that was to I think turn $100 into as much as I can, or 200. But anyways, yeah, I lost that. But uh, I did some uh trading without recording anything, and yeah, I was able to get my capital into 800. I was able to turn $200 into 800, but of course addiction got into me, and yeah, I lost it. But anyways, here I am trading again, and actually shout out to those who are like trying to help me, who are trying to help me in this journey. Like, some of you are supporting me, and some of you are teaching me lessons as well, helping me and guiding me. Uh, yeah, I give you my respect, but I don't really need the strategies that you guys are trying to give me. It's just that, well, I do have a strategy, and I am profitable. Well, just a little bit, but I am still profitable. But it's not because of my strategy, it's just because of my discipline, my consistency, and in just being able to wait, be patient for my trades, and wait for the opportunity, wait for the perfect setup in order to trade. But I just can't do that. Probably because there's like some addiction. Like I just yeah, I'm just so addicted in trading that I'm kind of forcing trades like every day, and I'm not supposed to do that. I'm just supposed to follow the market. But no, I'm forcing my trades, I'm forcing my strategy, and that's why I guess I'm failing a lot, and I'm failing like at the beginning. And well, I've already tested my strategy so many times, and I can say that I am profitable with my strategy. It's just that it takes a long time. Like, it might probably take me 2 weeks in order to trade, in order to get a perfect setup, or not even a perfect setup, just a good setup in order to trade. A perfect setup would come once in like a month, and yeah, that'll take quite a while for me to just wait until I get that perfect setup. So yeah, it's not because of my strategy. It's just because of my addiction. It's just because of my patience. What I need to learn is discipline and patience to be able to just wait for my trades, wait for my perfect setups, and wait for my perfect strategy in order to put an effect on how I'm supposed to do this of in trading. But yeah, right now I'm actually going to show you guys uh, my strategy. Like right now, or actually no, this isn't. I guess this is one of my strategies. But yeah, so here I'm actually aiming for a I'm trading XAU, I'm trading gold, and I'm aiming for a, how do you call this, a retracement all the way to the, oops, all the way to the top, because, wait, hold on, oops, because this thing, the candle right now has it. Oh, what was that? There was a lizard. But anyways, yeah. So I'm actually aiming for a retracement over here, heading to the upside, since this one hasn't really created a wick, or like this wick isn't big enough in order to fully take effect and just go all the way down. I don't really believe it, because I do think, no, I have like 80 to 85% am agreeing that this is going to retrace all the way up, either at the height, at the same height, or just below it, or even higher. But I do know it's going to go up, and it's going to be in the greens. And yeah, so I'm aiming for a how do you call this? Aiming for a 1 to 18 risk to reward, with my stop loss being below just the candle. And yeah, so my stop loss is just below the candle, to make it like just a tight stop loss, because if it goes through this, then it means it's not going to work. But yeah, and there was a reason as to why I placed my stop loss here, since if you're to look at this line, hold on, yeah, if you were to look at this line, it didn't really break through this line. So this is what I would like to call an imaginary support, or just a support. So it's bouncing at this area, and it's not really going through. It's not really going through at all, and just doing all of that. No, it's not doing that. It's only bouncing up here, then heading up, then going down again, being bearish, then bouncing right over here again, then just be bullish. Just, I do believe this is going to bounce here again. Oh no, I do believe it's gonna bounce just below the candle, just a little bit below the candle, and it will just skyrocket. So I'm only depending on the support here, over here. And yeah, to be honest, I should have made my stop loss a bit lower, but nah, this is fine as well. So I'm just aiming for a retracement over here, and I do believe it will fully cover this green candle until here, and then once the red candle closes, once this candle closes, hold on, excuse me. So once this red candle closes, it will create like some wick all the way here, and then just directly head up, either directly head up or just cover this red candle again and just set up. And yeah, that's what I am aiming for, a retracement. And yeah, this is really hardly believable. Well, it does sometimes happen, but it is hardly believable to have a candle like not really create a wick, a big wick, when this whole candle, when the previous candle was had a big, like really big wick. Like how much? Like how much is the wick right now? That's, yeah, like 174 pips of a wick, and it is hardly believable that it will just head straight all the way down. So I am aiming for a retracement here with that. Yeah. So I only have about $46 as the capital right now, but I will turn it into, how much is this? We'll be able to turn this into $600 if I were to hit my take profit. And yeah, I am willing to just waste all of this money right here, since it's not that big. I'm willing to just risk this. Well, yeah, you can call it gambling, I guess, but like you can call it gambling, but with just a strategy. But yeah, so I'm planning to just go all in for this first trade. Then after this first trade, I will be planning on having like a $50 risk or $25 risk. No, actually $30 would be better. So a $30 risk and a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. And yeah, so I'm planning to do that. Yep. So that's it for now. I gotta give respect to those who are trying to help me, who are supporting me for this journey. Give you my respect, bro. I give you my respect, brother. And I have to go now. Okay, peace.